Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite and I will show you how you can connect Huawei AM61 Sports earbuds. So at the first you have to move them into the pairing mode, you have to click and hold this middle button and take a look on the indicator. When it starts blinking on the red and the blue color, you have to release that key right now. Next you have to move for the Bluetooth settings on your Motorola, tap to pair new device. And as you can see here we got our earphones, so click on it. Just be patient and wait. Click to pair. And as you can hear, right now we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.